Hey, welcome back once again to the office here at New Traditions. My name is Dan Daniels. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in northeastern Indiana, home of New Traditions Dulcimers. I want to introduce you to number 880. This is New Traditions Hourglass Dulcimer number 880. It is the finalized was the 17th of this month, May 17, 2022. Number 880, it is made of myrtle from the southern Oregon coast, back and sides, and headstock, and Alaska Sitka spruce. It has a Wenge fingerboard overlay with a maple fingerboard. It's got the myrtle headstock with the gold Grover Stay-Tight tuners on it. 25-inch VSL, which is a real comfortable playing length for anyone of age or anyone with hand and knuckle and finger problems. That comes with age. 25 inches from the nut to the saddle. This is number 880, New Traditions Hourglass Dulcimer 880 with Myrtlewood and spruce. Sounds a little bit like this. Oh, and it has a 1.5 fret as well. This Dulcimer also has the New Traditions twin Dulcimer pickup in it. It has the input jack right here, and then it's got two piezos located roughly about here on the soundboard. The piezo pickup allows for a cleaner pickup sound if you're looking to amplify your instrument. It doesn't pick up the hand sound of an underbridge, undersaddle pickup. And in my opinion, just my opinion, it's a really great sounding pickup. So number 880, Myrtlewood from Oregon. This is reclaimed wood. This is the fellow that gives me our wood goes and finds the old logs that are down on the ground already, takes them back to his mill in Fresno, California, and mills them into instrument wood. This is beautiful myrtle, back and sides and headstock, Alaska Sitka spruce top with a Wenge fingerboard overlay with position markers at 3 and 7, 1.5 fret, maple fingerboard. It's got the New Traditions twin pickup, Dulcimer pickup installed. It is ready to go, and it'll also have strap pin up here at the headstock. Base price of this instrument, number 880, the base price is $700. It does not include a case and does not include shipping. So the case is optional and shipping is actually not optional if you want the instrument. Once again, number 880, New Traditions Hourglass Dulcimer. something like that. New Traditions number 880. It will be online probably tomorrow for sale, or you can just email me right now after this video and let me know that you want it. Number 880, New Traditions Myrtle, back and sides, Alaska Sitka Spruce, Wenge pickup, 25-inch VSL. There you go. Until next time, Lord bless you guys.